Alright, today you are going to be making a flag from a different country using Google Draw. Here are the instructions. Using Google Draw, you will recreate a flag from a different country of your choice. And here is the project criteria. First, you're going to select a challenging flag. Flags like Japan, which is just white with a red circle, France, which is just 3 colors, and Germany. Whoa, I need to fix that. Alright, today you are going to make a flag from a different country using Google Draw. So here is the instructions. Using Google Draw, you will recreate a flag from a different country of your choice. And here's the criteria. First off, you need to select a challenging flag. So flags like Japan, which is just white with a red circle on it, France, which is just 3 colors, and Germany, which is also just 3 colors, are not allowed. Those are not challenging enough there. You're going to recreate the flag on Google Draw. You want to make sure that you use arrange and order, and we talked about that in our previous lesson about bringing stuff on top of things or behind things to make sure your pieces are in the right layer. In the comment notes where you submit your assignment, it should say your there. I need to fix that. You need to write 2 facts that you have learned about your country. So here's the criteria. Challenging flag, that's our rubric here. Colors, shapes, layers match, and then finally 2 facts are submitted. So to submit your 2 facts, all you have to do is go up to Submit Assignment. You're going to go ahead and choose Google Docs. Mine does not have the Google Docs, but it does have Google Drive. And this is where you would type in your 2 facts there. Okay, so when you're doing this, I'm going to go ahead and start with the United States flag, and I'll go ahead and grab, what I'll do is I'll start making my stripes. There are 13 stripes, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy and paste that. To copy and paste, I do a Control-C, and then I do a Control-V, and it puts another layer out there. And now what I can do is I can select all 3 of these. I'm using the Shift key to do that. Control-C-V, so that is how many? That's 6. This is going to be 9. The next one is going to be 12, and then the next, I only need 1 more, so I'm just going to click 1 more, Control-C, V. Okay. Now you may say, hey, Mr. E, those are not the right colors. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the colors here, and so we're going to click this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, and these are going to be red. So I'll go ahead and change the color to red. Okay. This one. This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one is going to be white, or are going to be white, and there we go. Next thing I want to do is I actually want to grab my blue box here. So I'm going to start right up here, and on the flag it goes down to the red, I believe, and there we go. And now I can go ahead and change the blue to a blue. Now at this point, all I have to do is put my stars on there. I'll go ahead and make sure that all lines up just right. And I'll put my 50 stars in order, and I have created the United States flag. All right. Make sure you're creative. Oh, I forgot one last thing. To find the flags of the world, you can just go ahead and type flags of the world. And you will see all of these on this all flags in alphabetical sequence. I click on that, and now we can actually go ahead and look at it. So again, if we look at like Armenia, Austria, Belgium, what's another one that is too easy to do? Let's go down to Japan real quick. HI, Japan. So all those flags are not challenging enough. Once you find a flag that you're interested in, you can go ahead and click on it, and you can go ahead and work on that flag. One last little tip here. One of the things you can do is I can right click and copy this image and go back here to my drawing, right click, I can paste it, and I can actually just put it in the corner here to look at as I am working here. And again, this will not show up when you submit this here, but you can't just put this here and paste it and say, hey, I'm done. But that's just one of those little tricks that you can use to help you out. Get cracking.